Morning, everyone. Today we are busting out the big guns. I have a lot of meetings today. Gotta look my best. So I pulled out something I haven't used in a while, and I know I'm 99% sure I have not used in 30 days, and that is the Smashbox. It's the Masterclass Palette Lighting Theory. I really like this. I still don't know why everyone isn't talking about it. So we are going to use that. And I decided I'm going to do the whole trick of doing the eye first. I do have primer on already. It is the Primed and Peachy. And I just realized I didn't even introduce myself. Hey! So, hi, if it's your first time here, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. My name is Cassandra Thompson. I am your very normal girl, beauty lover, doing videos here on YouTube, hoping to find other 30-somethings here to join our little community. So, there's the intro. Sorry. And I believe today is day 25 of 30 days. So, very excited by that. But we need to do a couple of things. I'm looking for it. We need to add some primer before doing that eye. So I'm going to do my primer, and then I'm going to do my brows while that dries. And we're using shadow insurance today because, like I said, big guns. I am in meetings all day in LA. So want to look my best. Okay, I'm also going to use, I haven't used this in a while, the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set, and put that all over my brows. Takes a while to get this one to work. Okay, so eyes. Oh, by the way, if I seem slightly out of it, is because it's legitimately 5:30 in the morning. It's going to take me a while to drive to LA. Traffic has gotten so terrible. And what are we thinking of the hair? I'm curious how it's coming off on camera. So I had straightened it, it looked nice, and then I added this texturizing spray that I really liked the other day, and I do like, but it kind of like, is it just making it look like my hair's damaged? What do we think? Okay, so this palette, hold on. This palette is beautiful. We are going in first. I think I'm gonna do like this lineup right here, which I don't do all the time. Can you tell I don't like warms? Like, this has not been used. Not been used at all. So going in with sand first. Okay, next there's like excess of others. I'm going to take Optics and put that all over. And then I will put it up into the crease. Okay, Nocturnal has legitimate glitter in it, so we'll see. I'm not sure. Also, I haven't talked about this in a while, but does anyone else have that patch where color won't go? Like, I have to like spot treat color. Play with it on the brush and then put it on my hand really fast. This might be risky. I feel like all you're seeing is glitter, so we're gonna step away and go over to metallic violet instead. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix that. It'll happen. See, this is partly why I don't like doing eyes first. Like, I need that foundation to kind of be there to have stuff stick properly, because it's just moving around all weird right now. Well, we're gonna fix it after foundation. Then, instead, I'm gonna take that Nocturnal. Okay, I'm gonna take Nocturnal, put it on my little flat brush, Fix Plus it, and put it on the lid. This is just so messy to me, it's killing me. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put foundation and everything on, and we're gonna come back and fix the eyes, because it needs a little help. I do like that on the lid, it's good. We will finish up after, because I'm just not, I thought I'd try it again. I'm not liking this whole before thing. So, since this combo worked out really well the other day, I'm going to use both again. It is the Infallible Total Cover, which on its own ended up like separating on me throughout the day. And then my Infallible Pro Matte, drops the cap, which I love, but it's just slightly like, it's my alarm going off because it's so early in the morning. I had another alarm. Okay, so, but that also means I need to get ready faster. Slapping it all over. It's still a little bit orangier than what, but I feel like I am very in between right now. Now I really screwed that up. Okay, so now we're gonna do the whole under eye technique, and all big guns today. Tart shape tape time. So now that came in way too sharp on both sides, so we're gonna fix it. All this proves to me is I really do not like the whole eyeshadow first technique. I'm even gonna like just kind of hopefully transfer a little of that foundation up onto my brow so that it'll help when I want to fix it after. Next though, We're using their contour side. I'm going to use Contour and Luminous Peach. And it looks crazy dark, but it fades out a lot. Their highlighter is not the craziest difference from my actual face color, so it's not quite lightening as much as some would. See how much that tones down? Going in with nude sticks. Now gonna finish with Too Faced Born This Way powder on top of that. Still adding bronzer on top, so I am going in with Chocolate Soleil. And blush wise, I'm using, grab the wrong brush. Okay, I'm using the Candlelight blush that's in here, or it's not Candlelight, that color is Candlelight. And now we are gonna go back and fix the crazy eye. So I'm going back in with this metallic violet. And then I'm taking my fluffy brush and going back in that sand color, that white color, and just blending again over top. And as much as I'm loving the gunmetal kind of nocturnal color, I am going to take Sunrise. We're in that corner. Okay. I'm gonna pop it right in those corners to brighten it up a little bit. Then I am gonna take that that truffle color. Okay, so that is, I've been calling them all the wrong names, guys. And smoke under the eye. Wrong brush. Elf gave two brushes that look exactly the same. Simply because I'm just obsessed, I'm going to take this blue and put MAC Fix Plus on it. or else this will transfer. And just line the rim. Okay, last two eye steps. I'm going to line my inner rim with my L'Oreal Espresso gel eyeliner that's not going to budge all day, and then I'm going to do my lashes, and then we'll come back. Okay, so last couple of steps. I am whipping out big guns that I do not use all the time. I'm going to take the Hourglass like diffuse light bronze color and put that over my bronzed areas. We are just trying to make me look like an Instagram filter today. And in case you haven't heard me talk about it on other videos, these are not normal powders. These are finishing powders. So it looks like I'm going to go in with the same brush. I'm not. Next, because this is just all gone, I'm going to go in with diffuse light. In just those spots where there's not bronzer, but I don't want highlight. I just realized I bought the wrong one of these little guys. What I had used up was dim light. I had it opposite in my head. So this works, but dim light's better. Just for me. So as soon as we get into February, I'll be going back for that. And then I'm going to finish by using their one in the center that is incandescent light. And so that I am using as my kind of highlighter. But it's very, very, very subtle. We spray with all-nighter. Last thing, I'm just using tried and true cashew. Because it's gonna wear well all day. So that is officially it. This was a very long video. Sorry for the eye kerfuffle. Let me know what you think of the look, and I hope you have a good day. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Share this video with your other 30-something friends so more people know about it, and you can all talk about makeup stuff together. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you might like, so please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!